Hello, I am going to talk about my 10 most important milestones. So, number one, the happiest day for me was when I broke my motorcycle. It happened last year in September for my birthday. So I took place in San Hill because I bought it there. So I really liked that model, uh, but I couldn't find it in Bucaramanga. So I was with one for my best friend, um, and I feel very, very happy, pretty excited, and grateful about this moment. And number two is a painful loss for my was when my pet passed away. It happened 2 years ago, and she was 12 years old, and I died because of an illness. It happened at veterinary clinic near for my house. My parents were with my during the mourning process, and I feel very, very sad, frustrated because I had lost a great point. So number three is my favorite trip. Was to Santa Marta. This moment is two years ago. I went with my family to celebrate the end of the year. We visited many beaches, and we spent New Year's um, in Rodadero. It was a trip with the whole family, and we were very, very enjoy and celebrate together. I feel very, very happy, grateful, and I love with each beach and the wonderful places. So finally, I sad moment was last December when I went on the last trip with my former crow workers. We went to Cartagena to celebrate our vacation. We stayed together at an hotel, um, and it was a company trip. I feel very, very happy excited because it was a fun experiences where we could relax and enjoy moment. It was also amazing, but the new places I go to know. So, no more. Thank you.